getting to be 3/4 of the way along now. I'm almost at the full length of the bed. I'm starting to get a little bit of vibration in the mill. It's quite a good mill. It's around the 1955 CVA die sinking mill, sold by E.H. Jones. Bit of a wreck when I acquired it. It's currently running 3-phase on an inverter. It's built into the tool cabinet round the side. It's got a Tech digital readout on it, I recently fitted. And as you can see, a digital vertical scale on the quill axis, nothing on the Z axis. I haven't found it necessary in what I'm doing so far. Could be an addition later on. I'll see what happens. Repositioned again. I've moved the stops down, moved the guide pins down the table. Should be about the last move I need to make. Probably just need to move that end clamp there. I'm starting to actually run out of room the other end, getting closer to the wall all the time, but should make it, should just about get it in. We'll carry on. And we're nearly there. One last reposition of that end clamp and we're through. I could stop at that point because we're into that 19mm wide slot at the end, but I'll carry on, get right to the end. We're there. Amazing. Only one cutter. It's still got some life in it. I wasn't expecting that. 5mm wide slot, about 1.3 metres long. Get it out, clean it up, and we'll get ready for the next stage. Bit of a clean up before we go any further. One of the few times you'll get a bloke behind a hoover is cleaning his workshop. Same as with cooking. When it's summer and the barbecue's out, you'll see a bloke cooking, but it isn't very often otherwise, is it, chaps? Alright, how do we work this? Magic. Although I've got an ironing fairy for the clothes and the washing, I haven't got an ironing fairy for the workshop, or a workshop fairy, so I have to do it myself. Oh well, there's always hope. Again now for milling the next feature. We've moved our work along, still up against our table guide buttons. We've fitted a 19mm slot drill, brought the speed right down to suit. We touch off on the edge of the workpiece. The slot starts at 14mm from that edge, so touch, move 14, move across the width of our cutter, 19. Slot's 100mm long, so we'll travel 81mm down, and that should put us right for that end position. We'll measure the depth, do it in one cut again for that size, go nice and steady, and get this feature in. Nice and steady, plenty of coolant, 19mm cut, width of cut, got the same depth as the slot was previously. Just take our time. Same time keeping our eye on the digital readout for when we hit 81mm. slot complete for that feature, and on the digital readout we've got somewhere up there. There he is. 81.01. Close enough. Right, I'm just looking here what that sort of 3/4 wide slot's for. It's simply the cable guide. There's nothing going in it, so I'm happy with that. That the slot on the new piece there will work, or the pocket, the mill pocket. So we'll leave that at that. I'll stop now on the other features, the other section. Now we've got the, if we can see that on the camera, the heavy piece. Yeah, just about. And we've got the cutaway there, so I'll start making this part here. That'll be bolted to our lower piece over there, so it'll be bolted on the underside of that one. We'll get set up on. We'll measure that up and get set up on the bandsaw. Cut that out next.